Good day everyone. So this is early October, I think, something like that. Anyway, so this is the garden update. Let's have a look. I cut this guy back recently. It wasn't looking too good, but now it's looking much better. So this fella's quite cute. This is a relatively new plant. Okay, I don't know what anything's called, so yeah, don't ask me. I know a saltbush when I see one, and I know a succulent, and I know gum tree and grasses, and that's about it. All right, so as you can see, there's quite a pretty flower down here. I've got two of those. I've got a lot of things actually from the native nursery. This is one of the recent plantings from a bunch grew from seed, which I gathered quite illegally from a sort of native area that's down in the hills. From memory, it was a small bush, and yeah, well, this guy's nearly finished flowering. He's grown a lot. He's only been in the ground about 3 months, so little white flowers there. Let's see. This guy's been putting on some flowers too. Sorry about my shadow there. I'll try and get out of the shadow. Let's see. So yeah, it's all looking pretty good. This is a West Australian tree. It's putting on lots of growth. That foliage is a beautiful colour. Looks like autumn, but that's just its new coloured foliage. This is another West Australian tree, which is very happy here. Let's have a look. So yeah, some lovely purple foliage flowers just here. That's a Mallee mauve, it's called. That's the right pronunciation of that word. Quite a few of these grasses come out quite well. As you can see, they've got lovely little orange spots, if you can see that. Yeah, so it's quite pretty. This guy's growing well. All these plants are only been in the ground, a few months. This guy's only been in the ground for probably 8 months. He's very happy there. Okay, so, and here we have the native wildlife, commonly called a caddis. Is that right, Fuzzy? Eh? Exactly. He makes a good point. All right. So just here is where I killed all those horrible trees. They're coming back again, but I will hit them again with the old glyphosate. This little Helicare is growing the kind of density that I like everywhere, I guess. But these salt bushes here, you can eat them. I've been eating them for lunches actually, along with the that succulent. What are they called? Anyway, I'll think of it later. But yeah, so those things grow like a metre high and very, very big. So a lot of those will have to be cut back at some point. I'll just fast forward a bit. I'm going to take in the whether it's called the grampians or something like that. So it looks amazing. This guy, very pretty. So I forgot what it's called. Anyway, I get like that after a big day in the yard or working. I've been working on the car, so my brain just frizzles. And yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this is a succulent you can eat. Pig face. Thank you very much. And that's the second one of that purple flowering plant. This is another West Australian gum tree. It's doing really well. This guy's doing well. So the shrub I got from the native nursery. I basically have been buying exclusively from a native nursery for quite some time now. So yeah. Yep. So these are quite pretty. Oh, these guys are cool. Look at these flowers. They're different. See the shape of them. I'm going to show you these ones over here, which are a different species, but they seem quite related. The leaves are very similar shaped. They're more of a dandelion type thing. So as you see, there's an native bee on that one just there. And it's just gone. But yeah, so I'm already getting native bees, which is very cool. This area here is growing really well. This has got good soil, quite fireable. And the hardened birch is starting to climb up over the roof there, which is great. Okay, what else we've got here? So there's 3 kangaroo pools in the garden. This is one of them. This is a yellow one. It's nice, and I'm going to show you. Oh, this one's really cool too. This is brown butterfly. It's got those beautiful pale tips on the flowers. You can just see that. So it's quite gorgeous, that one. I'm glad I found that one. But yeah, this is going to be really spectacular, this other kangaroo pool just here. It hasn't flowered before, but if you can see that, it's just coming up into flower. And it's supposed to look like this. So we'll see how it goes. What else am I going to show you? So yeah, this guy here is spectacular. It's the Nivea, Europhilia nivea. Yeah, it's quite a popular tree amongst shrub amongst gardeners. It's quite spectacular sitting there. Yeah, this one here is called Low Dome, which is a very unimaginative name, but it's a beautiful flowering little shrub, and it's come back to life a bit. It was struggling a bit for a while there. Let's have a look. So yeah, that's probably about it for now. Yeah, there's probably a lot of other random plants I could show you, but that will do for the update. All right, thanks a lot.